Generally, we are also witnessing a situation where a number of contractors are taking up more government projects than they can implement at the same time. We want to caution contractors to only bid for a number of projects which they can adequately implement based on their technical and otherwise capacity. If any contractor takes up government projects, which their capacity cannot absorb, we will recommend those contractors for blacklisting, because we don't want a situation where government funds are tied up. You are aware that we have to implement government projects within a given budgetary cycle. If we have a contractor delaying a government project, that in effect also interferes with the absorption, the project absorption rate, the absorption rate in terms from a finance perspective. So we want to caution contractors to only bid for the requisite number of projects, those projects they are sure that they can implement. If a contractor takes up more projects, they go out of their way, they bid for so many government projects, they quote low, they win many projects, and then when it comes to implementation, there's a challenge. And deliberately and knowingly, they know they don't have the capacity. So we are going to recommend such contractors for blacklisting. We cannot continue like that.